In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to bypass or fix a Snapchat device ban. If you've banned from Snapchat on your device, you might need to be seeking ways to bypass the ban and regain access to the app. While there are methods available, it's crucial to proceed with caution as unauthorized actions could lead to further consequences. In this guide, we'll explore several methods you can try to bypass a Snapchat device ban, along with consideration and potential risks. Method 1. Update date and time settings. Open the settings on your device. Navigate to date and time settings and adjust date and time settings as needed to ensure accuracy. And after that, save the changes. The second method is to consider purchasing a new phone. If updating date and time settings doesn't work, consider investing in a new phone. Choose a phone based on factors like price, size, and operating system compatibility. 3. Wait it out. Sometimes the best option is to wait for the ban to be lifted naturally. Focus on self-care, rest, hydration, and over-the-counter medications for any discomfort until the ban is out. 4. Contact Snapchat support. If other methods fail, reach out to Snapchat support for assistance. Provide relevant details about your ban and request help in resolving the issue. 5. Change IMEI number on Android. Only attempt this method if you have an Android device. Use caution as changing IMEI numbers through unauthorized methods may have legal implications, and consider using apps like IMEI Changer to modify the IMEI number, but be aware of the potential risk. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.